Well, well, well. Would you looky what we have here? It looks to me like Christmas has finally arrived at Epcot Center. Now, you guys are probably saying to yourselves, Adrian, you were just at Epcot not too long ago. The last vlog was literally an Epcot vlog. Yes, and you are right. You are very right. However, the difference between that vlog and this vlog is that now we are no longer in the International Food and Wine Festival. We are here for the Festival of the Holidays, and that's what we're going to check out today. We're going to head on over to the World Showcase, and we're going to check out all the festival stuff that they have going on over there. Plus, we are also going to go into Mouse Gear and pick up the new annual pass holder magnet that they have for the holidays this year. So let's head on over there and grab that magnet. So keeping up with some of the other festivals that they have going on here, they have a new scavenger hunt for the International Festival of the Holidays. Chippendale's Christmas Tree Spree. The maps are sold here, and you just go around World Showcase and you find Chippendale on some different trees, and then you put stickers on where exactly you find them. It corresponds with what exactly you're going to see, and you're going to put it where, and then you get a prize at the end. But keep in mind, you do have to pay for that as well. It is $6.99, so essentially you're paying for the prize that you get. Holy cow, guys, look at the new mini ears for Epcot. Those are so pretty. I love these, and I know Koda will love them too. I don't know. Oh, look, they're restocking them. Been pretty popular. And look at that, we found the rest of them. So these bows are not interchangeable like we originally assumed. You have to buy an entire new set of ears if you want different bows with different countries on them. So like this one, for example, it's Mexico. And these are all countries that can be found in the World Showcase. So we're gonna put that one, son of a gun. We have France over here, UK, and then of course the bubblegum wall. They got Germany on the other side with the red, yellow, and black. Really, really cool. I'm digging these ears. Take a look at some more of the Festival of the Holidays merchandise that they have for this year. Here's a mug that's glass. This is a glass mug. Oh gosh.
I got one.
Really cool. I like that. Chippendale. And then one of the shirts for this year. Festival of the Holidays 2018. Got some more of the bigger cups over here. Got some pins over here too with Festival of the Holidays, limited release. And another Chippendale shirt for Festival of the Holidays. Finally found them. So it's a little bit of a weird location where we find the annual pass holder magnets. They put them by the fitting rooms. A very, very random place in Mouse Gear to be handing out these magnets. I don't know why they didn't put the magnet distribution back where they were during the, what was it, Flower and Garden Festival out by Club Cool. We're gonna head on down that way and see what the dealio is and why they're not having the AP distribution over there and why they have it by the fitting rooms. They got the stage all set up here right behind Spaceship Earth for a band called Joyful, celebration of the season. So it looks like they're gonna be playing some Christmas music here soon. Interesting. Probably not gonna be staying around for it, but we'll see. Maybe we'll walk by it later. Seems like there's nothing else going on in this particular section of the park. I don't know why they couldn't put the annual pass holder magnet distribution in here like it was before for the Flower and Garden. I mean, if it were up to me, I'd be putting it back here because sending people to Mouse Gear, that's okay if you put it in a decent spot in Mouse Gear. But, she's going backstage. If you put it in a decent spot in Mouse Gear, not by the fitting rooms. Like you walk into Mouse Gear, there are no signs that say where to go, and they tell you fitting rooms, but you're like, okay, now where are the fitting rooms? Like that's a bit of an odd place. And then if you put it over here, you have more line management that you can do back here. You can have people queue up like they did before, and they'd be able to, you know, get their magnet in and out, no problem. So I don't know why it's in there. Maybe there's a method to Disney's madness. I don't know, but we'll see later on. So there's nothing going on over here that makes me it just makes me question why they didn't put it back here. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start from Canada, work our way around, see what they got that's new. The first booth that they have is here in Canada. It's called the Yukon booth, and I do believe that this is the booth that they had for the Food and Wine Festival. They just renamed it to Yukon Holiday Kitchen. And we have the menu right over here: seared salmon, French Canadian, whatever that is, maple bouchée de Noël, I think it is, and gold chocolate chip cookie, and the different beverages. Really, really cool. Something that I'd also like to point out is that this is Thanksgiving week. A lot of people are off of school, off of work. They have the entire week off, so of course a lot of people are going to come to Disney. So the park is pretty crowded today. The wait times are a bit up there, and the crowd levels are almost just as high. So I'm here on a Monday, and there's still quite a few people here. But over here in Canada, we have a band playing, and they're doing some Christmas songs over there, I heard earlier. Not exactly sure what they're singing now, but they are singing some holiday songs from Canada. I definitely would have liked to watch a bit more of that, but unfortunately we are short on time. We have to get on over to Hollywood Studios to check out some of their Christmas stuff later on today, and it's already going on 2 o'clock, so we gotta get going and keep walking through World Showcase and see what else is new. Other updates, we are here in the UK, and not too much in the way of Christmas other than some decorations that they have here on the poles, and they have some poinsettias out behind me over there. So I know they do have a Christmas show that they do with Santa, who does some storytelling, which I think is further on down that way in this little alley over here. Let's go down there and see if there's anything going on before we move on over to France. Nope, nothing going on here at the moment. Stage is empty and there's no Santa Claus giving stories over here, so let's move on. Walking into France, the first thing that we notice is all the peppermint and candy canes around the poles here. It's very Christmassy. I don't see much else in the way of Christmas stuff though. Huh. Let's keep looking. Ah, look at that, some Christmas stuff. We have some ornaments, and inside we have La Tour Eiffel, the Eiffel Tower. I'm pretty sure I butchered that pronunciation, that French accent. Oh look, they just turned these back on. They weren't on a second ago. Don't mind her, it's just Belle walking around in her nice little outfit. That's very pretty. Moving out of France, we are coming up into our next booth, which is, I don't know how to pronounce that, but they have some pretty good looking stuff here. Pastrami, potato ganache, chicken and matzo ball soup, and black and white cookie. Really cool. And this booth is located right outside of France, right next to Morocco. So we're just getting done with walking out of Morocco, and I was kind of surprised for a little bit. I'm like, there's nothing here in the way of like Christmas decorations and everything, but then I remembered it's Morocco. I don't think Christmas is the biggest thing over there in that country, so not surprising in the least bit. So we're gonna move on. We are going to head over into Japan and see what they have going on over there. Got some construction walls out here in Japan. They got a bunch of trees cleared back there. It looks like they're gonna put something new over here. Not entirely sure what it is. Maybe a new restaurant. I could go for some more Japanese food. Here at the American Adventure, they are still getting ready for the candlelight processional. Not entirely sure when it starts, I don't remember, but let's see if we can zoom in there just a little bit, get a look at the stage. Yeah, they're getting things all nice and set up over there, and we got some guys working over there. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the screen when the first date is for the processional, and we will try and get out here and watch one of these days. In case you're wondering, here's another location for the brand new Epcot ears here at the American Adventure. And here, no surprise, we have a nice big Christmas tree here at the American Adventure, because here in America we love Christmas. They also have a Santa Claus and a Mrs. Claus meet and greet over here too. Look at that. Got a nice little setup for it. They're on a break now, but there's already people queued up for the next one.
Really, in my country, in Italy, Christmas is a time of great celebration. It is a time to gather the family together, the grandmothers and the grandfathers and the aunts and the uncles and all of the cousins, huh? And we cook, oh, we eat, and we laugh, and we tell each other stories around the table, and all the bambini, they play with the gifts and the goodies that I bring. And we sing, oh, we dance, it is molto bella. You know what I am saying, eh? See? I leave you now with what we say in Italy. Natale con i tori, Pasqua con chi vuole. And this means Easter, eh? Easter you celebrate with whomever you like, eh? But Christmas only with your own. See? See? So, I leave you now. I say to you all, Buon Natale! Buon Natale! Merry Christmas, everybody! Grazie, grazie.
So that was one of the storytellers here at the Italy Pavilion. We only caught the back half of that performance, sadly, but you got to see a little bit of it. So in most of the countries, they have little things like that where they go out and they discuss some of the traditions that they have for the holidays in that specific country. So that's really cool. If you get a chance to come out here during the Festival of the Holidays, go ahead and plan around watching some of these shows in the different countries and get yourself educated on some of the stuff that the other countries do for the holidays. Also, as far as Christmas decorations is concerned in Italy, they got a lot of garlands going all around the buildings over here. Nothing too fancy, but it still looks really cool. Another booth over here that is in Italy is Tuscany Holiday Kitchen. Let's take a look at one of the menus and see what they got. Let's see. We have that thing, mozzarella and that thing, that thing, and mignon, and some other drink stuff over here. The mozzarella thing looks good, and that looks like mac and cheese, so that also looks good. I don't know, all of these things look good, but I don't have time to eat stuff right now. We gotta get going. On to Germany. Ah, Germany. The air around here reeks of caramel corn and beer. Look at some of the Christmas decorations that they have going on over here. And coming right on back around. I'm not kidding you guys though. We got the smell of caramel corn over here and all the beer over here. It's just a weird mix. Had to stop for some water. It is a bit of a warm one today here in November. The Shanghai Holiday Kitchen. We have pork and vegetable egg rolls, Mongolian beef bao bun, and celebration pork barbecue, or pork, yeah, barbecue pork, and spicy mala chicken. Oh my god, everything looks so good. I'm very tempted by the pork and vegetable spring rolls. Oh dear, I don't know. They're the cheapest thing. I don't know. And I caved. I know I said I didn't have time to eat something, but I cannot pass up Chinese food, especially if it's only $4 for 2 of these rolls. Seems like a good deal to me. Now we just got to see how good they taste. All right, so there were no tables available, so I had to kind of make my own on some trash cans. We're gonna try these things out. Got a little duck sauce to have on these things because you can't eat spring rolls without duck sauce. It's just how it is. Put a little bit on that. These are definitely well worth $4.
Oh, he'll laugh.
They're vegetable and pork, really good. Highly recommend. $4, not bad. Yeah, I'd say for sure that that was definitely well worth wasting a couple minutes of my time to have some of those spring rolls, because holy moly, those were good. One of the first booths that you're gonna see for the Festival of the Holidays is the Feast of the Three Kings. That's if you walk up to the Epcot Christmas tree and you end up making a left instead of making a right up by Canada, like I did earlier. We have pastelón sofrito, queso fresco, arepas, tres leches, and red and green chocolate chip cookie, and some coquito. So very, very cool stuff. Very Hispanic, very Hispanic, I should say. So that is going to be about it from us here at Epcot. It's just me. Coda's not here today. Huh. I'm so sad. I don't know what to do without her here. This is my first solo trip in a while, so I'm kind of by myself without my girlfriend. Anyways, that's gonna about do it from me here at Epcot today. Had a lot of fun. It was a really quick trip just over here checking out what they have going on during the Festival of the Holidays for 2018. They have a lot of different things going on, a lot of different food booths. Not as many food booths as they have during the International Food and Wine Festival, but still quite a few food booths with different food than what you can find at the Food and Wine Festival. So definitely worth coming back here and checking out during your holiday visit. Definitely, again, make some time to stop at the different countries and check out the different shows that they have, showcasing all the traditions that they have during the different holidays, and just get yourself educated on what goes on else around the world. So with that, I am off, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Every broken bone, I swear I lived